Hey guys, I'm back. Hey, this is my second attempt on this right here. Maybe my third, I don't know. But this is the Carla E Show. Carla E Show in the house. Carla E Show in the house. I'm back, guys. Okay, we're gonna come out with some church's chicken. Church's chicken. Okay, we got some good chicken here. Good chicken. And we have some garlic shrimp. And we have some okra. And we have some rice, dirty rice. And we have some, like I said, it's my second attempt. We have some jalapeños. And some sauce to go with the jalapeños. So, that's my thumbnail. Water. Hot sauce. And a little honey. Honey. We're going to get this show on the road. If you have not subscribed to my page, can you please subscribe if you like? Oh, subscribe. And hit the like button. If you like what I'm doing. Hey. If you like what I'm doing. Hey now. And can you make a comment and share this video if you like? That's what you do. But I'm going to eat some of this chicken. You know, I started a video before this, and guess what happened? I got halfway through it, and it cut off on me. I'm so mad. So, I'm doing this again. But I missed you guys. I'm making my little videos for you guys. But I've been on my grind. And we eat some chicken tonight. Church's chicken. I've never did churches, I don't think. But let me try this shrimp again. Garlic shrimp. Garlic butter shrimp. Good. I missed you guys. I'm putting out this video. Get out something to watch. With some good food on it. Right? Good. All this food is good. I know somebody that likes some church's chicken. Y'all want some? Good. Put me some hot sauce in my dirty rice. It's good. I'm gonna tell you one thing about me in churches. I eat the skin off. I like to eat the skin first. Then once I eat the skin, I may eat the meat. Excuse me for smacking. No, this is good. It's good. Shrimp sauce. Cocktail. So good. I know it's been a while since I put out a video, guys, but I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I am back. I'm back. I'm back. I'll be getting some more videos from me. Excuse me. I will be going live every night at 12, maybe before 12. So just check it out. It's like a midnight chat. Midnight chat. You might not see no lights on, but I'll be there in the background. I'm talking to y'all guys. And you might see me. You might see me. Who knows? Who knows? But I will be talking to you guys in that midnight chat. I usually try and come on a little bit early for you guys that have to go to work and go to bed. But I will definitely be there. The okras are good. But, Oh, juice going everywhere. So good. Oh. We're good. Don't forget, guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Comment, like, and subscribe down below. If you're not already my friend, share this video. Church's chicken. Churches. Their rice pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good.